Hi, welcome back to ODE YouTube channel, and today we have an unboxing video. And better than being an unboxing is it is a Kaweco unboxing. So this is a package that I received from the United States of America from a store called The Pen Thing, and today when I received the package I told Brian from The Pen Thing that I finally received this. And he asked me which Victorinox knife would I use, and it wouldn't be easy because there are 3 pens with 3 different colors inside. So I decided to go with not a pen related color, but this kind of wintry Christmassy themed knife. So this will be used for the unboxing because this is kind of like Christmas to me. So let's open this. So I was also saying this was a long expected package. I bought these around 2 months ago, and now in the European Union it's needed to have every package needs to go into customs, and because of that there is lots of work, and our customs usually are a mess, and now that everything that comes from outside the European Union has to go there, imagine the chaos it is. It is impossible. So I'm very unhappy for this, for waiting 2 months to have a package, and 1 month, more than 1 month after, they sent me the invoice to pay to release the pen. So I paid, and even there they took all this time. So here we have it, and nothing more on the package, and let's see. So let's start by thanking Brian from The Pen Thing for allowing me to buy these pens from him, because he's a very trustworthy seller. I really like this pen. I lost myself. Okay, but as I was telling, I'm very happy to be able to buy some USA exclusives from him, because he's very serious, so I know I can trust him. So he sent me a little thing, and he says thanks for purchasing the Kaweco limited edition sports for me. I know you'll enjoy them. I'm looking forward to your review. Which is your favorite color? And now that's what we are going to see. Okay. First, let me explain something. This Kaweco stopped making special editions with for country specific, but there are some distributors that can make them, or stores, and this was made by the Kaweco distributor of the United States. And so this is a special edition. So this Elite Royalty is kind of the distributor of Kaweco in the United States, and they made an exclusive edition for them, because they are the distributors of the United States. It is an United States exclusive. So this is the history behind that. It's the Elite Royalty. When I was talking with Brian, we discussed, and we found out that it would be easier to go through customs, to be cheaper, everything else. It would be easier to send the 3 pens inside one package, and then to send just the sleeve. So this one comes with this black sleeve, but it actually should have been 3 boxes like these, one with the red sleeve, one with the dark blue sleeve, and one with the light blue sleeve. But that's why I like to do business with Brian, because we could work this out and have smaller package. Of course, you can have the full packaging as you deserve, and you deserve to have 1 box per each pen. However, I have lots of boxes now. You can imagine, for the amount of Kaweco pens that I have, imagine the amount of boxes I have. So I don't really need another tin box. And so I arranged these with Brian, and I'm happy because less room used up with Kaweco tins that end up on my storage room on the basement. So it comes with the leaflet, with the instructions and so on, and several stickers. Okay, let's see the pens. That's what we are here for. So he crumpled these all. That's fine to me. I'm not complaining of anything. This is the usual inside thing of a box. Now this one is a little bit destroyed. It's not to worry. And here we have the tin. And inside the tin we have 3 pens. Let's take them out. Let me put this insert in. Okay, it can be used again, I guess. And let's close it, put it away. Let's have this here, and let's see the pens. So we have 3 pens. The 3 pens are Skyline Sport pens, which means that they have silver trim or chrome trim, and they have 3 colors. Let me check. One is the red, which is called Elite Royalty. It says Kaweco Sport there. Elite Royalty Deep Red. We have the Elite Royalty Royal Blue and Elite Royalty the Crown Blue. Now let's just have a little fun and try to match them with their sleeves, and I guess they work quite okay. So I think it's quite nice. I think they really match the colors of the sleeves of the boxes. So that's a nice touch. I like these kind of stuff. It's not really important, but I like that. So you came here to see the unboxing, I guess. By now, lots of people have these. Sometimes I'm one of the first people online showing Kaweco pens. This time I'm not, as you may see, because it took too long. I didn't even open the pens. So they have these steel nibs with regular color, with steel color, and I bought fine nibs because it's my favorite nib size. So all 3 are fines, and here they are. So by now many of you already chose the pens that if you wanted to buy these pens or not. You already saw reviews online or videos about it, I guess. I'm not sure if there are many videos about this collection. I'm not really sure. I watch lots of YouTube videos about pens. I don't watch that many Kaweco related videos. I don't know why, because maybe I have many of them, but when I look at them, I think some people is watching, or some people are watching my videos or this video because they want to check the colors of the pens and the color comparisons, and that's what I do most of the times. So let's start and compare these pens with other colors. And we will start with this red. And let's grab the... Now I can mix all these up because it's all very confusing. I have here the Kaweco Classic Sport Red, which is the regular red, the currently sold red in the current Kaweco collection. And you can see it is much brighter. I have also here the Kaweco Band Sport, which is the older edition of red. And this color is closer, but not quite. This one tends more into a darker shade, not really burgundy. I didn't think about bringing burgundy to this table, so I don't have it here, but it's not burgundy, but it's definitely a darker color than the other two. Now we will go for this one, and for this one I have two Kaweco pens to compare. This is the Ocean Blue, or the Kaweco Sport Ocean. I'm not sure how it is called right now. I forgot to bring a note with the real names, and this is the Serenity Blue. And I think that the Serenity Blue is the closest color to the Crown Blue, but not really the same. This has more kind of pastel or chalky look to it, so it is a different color, and I think I like it a lot. And now let's go for the blue, because there are lots of the royal blue, there are lots of these colors. So let's start with, if this is royal blue, we'll start with Kaweco Art Sport Real Blue, because I think the real blue should be the same as the royal blue, and I'm looking at this for the first time for this comparison, so I find this a fun thing to do. So this one is darker and a little bit more purplish. It may seem purple there, but it's not purple. However, it may have a little tone more similar to purple. And we'll have here also the Kaweco Art Sport Dark Blue. And the dark blue is really much darker than the royal blue, as it was expected. In the same way, we have here the Kaweco. Let me check something, because sometimes I get confused. The current edition, which is currently available, the Kaweco Classic Sport Navy. I think it goes there, very similar with the dark blue. I have here the Kaweco Classic Sport Blue, which was the blue version previous to the navy. It's very similar, so I think it really goes in the same family. And I have here that older edition that I showed you before, the Smart Ink, which was kind of a co-branding thing. And you can see that that one is a little lighter than that, but you don't really see that much of a difference. And finally, we have the Kaweco Band Sport in blue, so the same, from the same time as the Band Sport Red. It was a collection of red, blue, yellow and green. So when we compare this color, it may be a little more similar also, but not quite. So I would say that the Kaweco Art Sport Royal Blue is the closest one to the Elite Royal. Let me have this for a moment there, if you want to check to take some ideas to do a screenshot. I'm not sure. So if I had to choose a more perfect pair to these, I would choose the Band Sport red to the deep red. I would choose the Art Sport Real Blue to the Royal Blue, and I would choose the Serenity Blue for the Crown Blue, but they are not the same exact colors. So if you think, I'm thinking of buying them, are they very close to existent colors? Yes. If you are just looking for a nice red, there is a nice red available, this one, which is a little different, but if you want a red, there is a red, you don't need to go for that one. But if you are thinking in the other way, is that different that I need to buy it? Yes, it is definitely a different edition from previous versions and from the currently existent version. The blue, also the same thing, the Royal Blue, although it is more similar to the Art Sport, but then we have the Art Sport with a different shade, and the Art Sport is much more expensive. It's turned resin, this is ABS plastic, so I'm not sure if you still can find this one. This one is much cheaper. And then for this one you have the Serenity Blue, that I'm not sure if you can still find it. I don't believe so. And you have the Crown Blue, which is nice, but I think it has some kind of gray tone. So very nice colors. I'm really happy, although I'm overall sad with Portuguese costumes. I love to do business again with Brian, because he got me a way of having these without having a very bulky package, and I always know that the purchases from him will go well. So he's my go-to store in the United States for Kaweco stuff. And this is it. I'm very happy to receive these 3 pens. I thank you all for watching. I hope this color comparison was useful, and I'll be back soon for more videos. So, bye.